Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am back with another video in our Last Niche Down series. So today we are going to be going into Mermaid. So if you are new here on my channel, make sure you go back and check out the Less Niche Down series playlist so you can check out all the ones I've done so far. I've been doing 2 a month. So let's go over to Amazon. And that's normally kind of what I use to find new niches. I kind of just use Amazon. So I am not signed in. So this can be more of an organic search and is not like pulled from anything that I've looked at already. I've told you guys a few times some of the sites and tools that I use. So you should know that already. But soon as I type in the word mermaid, I love things that show up. You say mermaid gifts for girls, mermaid toys, mermaid decor. So we're kind of always looking for like t-shirts and words that we can put together. So one thing I noticed here, it says something about mermaid and shark, mermaid and octopus, mermaid and unicorn. So these are giving me insight on some things that people put mermaid together with. So we're gonna look up mermaid and shark, and see what happens. So now we see party favors, party decorations, gift bags, balloons. So where if they have these things, let's see if we can find a mermaid and shark t-shirt. So our keyword was mermaid. And then when we typed in mermaid, we see that people have been mixing them and matching them with the word shark, octopus, and other things. So for the words mermaid, shark, t-shirt, we find about 2,000 search results, okay? So this is kind of ideal what I think about when I say, mermaid and sharks. Okay, so go down. Okay, so this looks a little bit more kid friendly. So I think that's kind of what we want to target to make this something. So let's do mermaid and shark kid t-shirt. Okay, we got 1,000. I'm sure you're probably gonna still see some that is not really kid friendly, but you can definitely like this. This is like the number, um, the number with the shark. That's cute. You can make it a shark mermaid. I would love that idea on a kid's shirt. Those are, just different ideas that I can come up with. A lot of these are not really truly in that sphere, so I think you still have a really good chance of doing mermaid shark t-shirts for kids. All right, so let's try this mermaid and octopus and see what happens. So let's put in shirt. I should stop putting t-shirt and just put shirt. So it says 4,000. Let's see if we really see mermaid octopus or we just see one of them. Okay. So not really seeing them together. Let's add in the word kid shirt and see what we can find. It says 640 search results. So we have something on kind of more with the octopus over here, but finding the right audience who would like something like that, you could definitely, get there. So it says it's about 48 products of 1,000. So I think mermaid would be good. So let's look at the mermaid journal. So it said mermaid journal sketchbook, mermaid journal with lock and key. I'm sure this might have a good bit. So it's like 2,000. So these are like mermaid shells, books for school, things like that. So let's add in that shark keyword and let's see what we find in the journal atmosphere. So this one will need some love. So it would need you guys who are now watching this video to go in and make this a trend. So we have sharks. mermaids, kind of not together, but we. So here, what you would just have to find that winning combination that would get into eyes. Again, I like the number on the shirt for the kids. Um, so it would be like a birthday mermaid shark shirt. That would definitely get you in there with the number for their birthday and it tied in as like a shark, maybe with a mermaid tail or something like that. So I think that would be a really good idea to infuse this mermaid niche into something bigger. So I hope that helped just to give you guys some ideas of how you could find something. Not every time it's a win, but you get ideas that you can make it a winner. So the winner here today is doing mermaid plus whatever birthday shirts with the number tying in that whole theme. So again, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Make sure you put in the comment sections if you're going to try the mermaid niche. Let me know. Let me know if you like these videos. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.